Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P Technology to the Point. In this quick video, I am going to share two active coupons from Udemy, and these coupons are for two courses. One is for Linux Fundamental, that is for IT Professional, where we will use U120X, and this if you will talk about this course, you will have the 22 hours of on-demand video course. Okay, so you will learn lots of things related to Linux here. Next course is about AZ-104, that is for Microsoft Azure hands-on lab. So this course gonna help you if you are preparing for AZ-104 exam, that is for Microsoft Azure administration. And this course is having 5 hours of on-demand video. You can go through the content here. Now let's apply the coupon code. What we need to apply for Linux Foundation for Fundamentals first. So you need to apply this coupon code, that is ITV 2023-0402 free. That is the coupon code. Once you will apply, this course will become free to you. Let me apply the next code. For AZ-104, you need to come to on this link that I'll share with you, and once you will click here, you need to go to the coupon and you need to apply this long coupon code here. And once you will click on apply, this course will become free for you, and these courses will be with you for lifetime. So don't miss it, grab it as soon as possible. So what you need to do to get the link and the coupon code, just mention in the comment section for which one you are interested. For Linux Fundamental, just mention Linux Fundamental and interested. For AZ-104, similar thing, you just need to mention in the comment section interested. So I'll share the coupon code with you along with the link. So see you in next video for more coupons and more useful videos.